In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly download and install Microsoft Teams on your desktop. Whether you're setting it up for work meetings, collaborating on projects, or connecting with friends and family, I'll guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth installation process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or any other that you typically use. Once your browser is open, you'll navigate to the official Microsoft Teams website by entering the URL www.microsoft.com/teams directly into the address bar. Press enter, and this will take you straight to the Microsoft Teams landing page. Now that you're here, let's focus on the download process. You should see a button labeled Download for Desktop. It's usually prominently displayed on the page. To simplify this process for users like you, go ahead and click on that button. Downloading the desktop version ensures you have a dedicated application for Teams, which can be more convenient than relying on a browser tab. After clicking the download button, your browser will start downloading the installer file for Microsoft Teams. This file is usually saved in your computer's downloads folder, but do check your browser's download manager if you're unsure. Once the download completes, locate the installer file. It might be labeled something like Teams Windows x64 or similar, depending on your operating system. Now, it's time to run the installer. You can do this by double-clicking the file. If a window pops up asking for your permission to make changes to your device, this is just your computer's way of verifying that you are intentionally installing this program. Simply click Yes or Allow to proceed, ensuring you're in control of what's being added to your system. The installation process will now begin, and you'll be guided through several prompts. Typically, these will include options to customize the installation or choose the installation location on your device. For most users, the default settings are perfectly fine and are designed to provide an optimal experience without any additional configurations. Click through the prompts by selecting Next or Continue. At the end of this series of prompts, you'll find an Install button. Go ahead and click that to start installing Teams onto your desktop. Installation usually takes just a few moments, though this can vary depending on your computer's speed and internet connection. Once completed, you will likely see a confirmation message indicating that Microsoft Teams has been successfully installed on your computer. At this point, you can close the installer. To open Microsoft Teams for the first time, look for it in your list of applications or search for it using your computer's search function. After opening the app, you'll be prompted to sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. And there you have it. You've just downloaded and installed Microsoft Teams on your desktop, ready to start engaging in meaningful communications.